Okay, this is Pegleg. I've been in the garden today and I've been looking at the sun and it stayed in the same place for quite a while. Which leads me to believe we have actually been lied to. The thing is, if the Earth's moving at any sort of speed, whether it's really a slow speed or a fast speed, the sun itself would have moved ages ago. The thing is, we've been lied to by these scientists and so forth, spacemen and all that, believe in science. And science itself, for me, to a certain point rings true. The thing is, only to a small point. Anyway, you got people like Einstein and these kind of people who try to throw the theory out on the way our world is. And then you got people like you and me who are trying to find the truth. And the truth to us is we're living on a flat plane. The flat plane itself is real. Who decided science is righteous? Well, what you got to ask yourself is that same question. When you look at the bigger picture, science itself helps with a few other things, small things, not like the major things. Because when you step outside and you spend a day outside, whether it's sunny or raining, or a moonlit sky, we all know, and we all see, and we all understand, that what we're being taught in school, we've got the globe. It's in all schools, and it's wrong. So, the point I'm trying to make is, when you sit there and you take a look for yourself, science has told us wrong. Today is a nice sunny day. I've been outside, I've sat in the garden, and I've looked up at that sun, which has been quite warm, today. It's a lovely day. I've looked at the sun, and it's remained in the same place for hours. So, let me say this to you. If the Earth was spinning, that sun that's remained in that place for hours would have moved. It hasn't. Which leads me to believe my own senses. I've spoken to a lot of you on YouTube, and a lot of you said use your senses. So therefore I have. And my senses has led me to believe that the Earth is flat, the Earth doesn't move, it's stationary. And I also want to talk about something I saw yesterday. Someone called Andrea Sensi. I hope I said that right. I don't know if I have. And they done a mashup of someone's video. Now that video shows Mark Sargent in a hotel room with two women. Now, it's debatable on what is actually going on there. I find it strange, and I even said to a friend of mine that's been on YouTube, I won't mention his name, but he knows who he is because we had a good talk last night. And Mark Sargent's in a hotel room with these two women, and one of these women are giving him a massage. And now, to me, in my mind, and my heart, and in my spirit, we just don't know who these top 5 flat earthers are really, do we? So, when it's all said and done, can we trust those around us? No, we can't. Because they're
That's me.
They're meant to be the ones that are trying to help us. trying to show us the way. And then this one video that stepped up into the plate, into the fold, has given us the opportunity to see that these people ain't right to a certain point. What they've given us so far is right. And I've seen it. I've looked at it. And it's one of those things that you look at it and you say to yourself, wow, this person can't be right. Even though he's been right up to a certain point. My mind, my heart tells me I've been in a place where I've been deceived to a certain point. And when I look at the bigger picture, I've stood and I've looked at people that I've talked to, watched and heard. And we got to remember, we're living in a world full of Illuminati and Freemasons. And my mind is at that point where do we stop? Where do we go from this moment in time? Do we sit back and just say, yeah, okay, whatever, carry on listening to these people? I don't think so. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at this point. I'm going to leave it for feedback to the people that listen to me and hear me and maybe even feel me to a certain point. If you've got any comments or anything, throw feedback back. That'd be great. And thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate everything you've done and said. At the end of the day, we're here, we're trying to find out the truth. And the truth for me is that we've been lied to. Anyway, God bless you all. This is Pegleg, signing out.